Nandito tayo sa strawberry farming. Mag-harvest tayo ng strawberries. Bayad muna tayo, Maring. Wow, the flower is so pretty. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. So nice. Oh. Ganda ng bulaklak, Maring. So meron sila ditong farm stand na pwede kang bumili ng prutas. Wow, smells so good. Fresh strawberries. I love it. Sila. Mga vegetables. Strawberries. Lettuce. Yung lettuce ay $3.
You decide to buy this basket right now?
Have you ever tried green
I think that's jalapenos. Tomatoes. And many more vegetables. Wow, ang laki ng orange. This is so big. What kind of orange? Cara. So big. And gold nugget mandarin. Meron din silang chicharon. Tawag ay pork skins. Pork skins. Daming chicharon. Honey. Jams. $20 ang basket. Mahala, uy. Last year, nung pumunta kami dito, yung basket may $5 na maliit. May $10. Pero ngayon na, mahal siya, Maring. Naging $20 yung basket. Grabe kamahal. Ang ganda ng lugar. Nice. Ito yung mga strawberries nila, Maring. Wala masyadong red. Maybe here. It's a lot. Don't step on the plant. Okay? We'll get one. Only the red ones.
Why?
Yung iba, hindi pa nahinog. Yan, oh. Green pa sila, mga Maring. Green. Konti pa yung hinog.
This way, come on.
Yan. May malaking red dito. Kunin natin siya. Ayan, oh. Here, Lily. Right here.
Wow.
Yung iba, parang namatay kasi nagpa-change kasi yung weather. Biglang lumalamig, biglang umiinit. Kaya siguro yung ibang strawberry dito parang nalanta. We're getting strawberries. Make sure you get the red ones. Yeah.
Yay.
Punta tayo sa likod dahil mas marami doon, mga Maring. Lily, here baby girl. This way. Mas marami sa likod. Lily.
Hey, doggy.
Yeah, put it in the basket.
It's okay. It's okay, doggy.
Wala masyadong red na bunga. Parang na-harvest na. It's mostly green na. O dito oh. Maybe dun sa kabila. Kasi yung side na to, puro siya green. Doon naman ay meron silang cabbage at saka lettuce. Strawberry. We're returning the basket or is this ours?
Basket's ours.
Oh, okay. Kala ko. Konti lang yung mga magaganda, Maring. Parang mga salin-salin yung natira. Yan. May malaki tayong nakita.
Here's some, mommy.
Okay, put it there. Put it in the basket. Punta tayo dun sa may unahan. Ito na yung mga nakuha namin lahat-lahat. $20 ang mahal, ha? Bakit kaya ang mahal ng strawberry ngayon? Ito na yan. Nakita. Hindi masyadong red pa yung iba. You got some more, Lily?
Yeah. Oh, this is so full.
We're almost done.
Yeah.
Tikman natin ang strawberry kung matamis ba. Kasi may strawberry talaga na maasim. So, punasan lang natin siya. Ang strawberry na to ay matabang. Siguro masarap to kung may ano, tahin. Itatry ko to lagyan ng tahin, maring. Pero bihira lang talaga yung matamis na strawberry. Kasi dito, ito siya either maasim or matabang. Pero nung nagtanim ako sa bahay, meron akong ganito. May matamis, may maasim, may matabang din, ganun din.
No, wash it first.
Are these yours?
Huh? You can't find that. I think it's a white bag.
Yeah, the white bag is yours. Is that their strawberries?
Yeah, somebody's fun.
Hey, give them back their strawberries.
I promise you we're not going to eat all those strawberries.
Yeah, we're gonna make something of it. You need to put them in the bag. You need to wash them.
So, ito na lahat ang
Yeah,
strawberries
freeze them. Put them in the freezer.
na nakuha namin, Marine. Oh,
When
puno-puno.
you get done washing hers, you wash yours. Okay?
Kunan ko muna siya ng dahon. Isa-isa.
You sit down. This is your
Ako siya huhugasan.
Here's your food.
They smell
No,
good.
that's it. She's sitting down.
Smells good. Smells sweet, but it's not sweet. It's sour. Maasim siya. Ang iba naman matabang.
I don't think they're sweet enough, though.
No, it's not sweet.
They smell good, though. But you can still make something out of them.
I'm gonna freeze some of it.
Hmm?
I'm gonna put this in a freezer.
Yeah.
Chop it and put it in a freezer.
If you leave them out a day or two, they'll ripen a little bit more, but not too much more. But I would just cut them up and freeze them. I mean, they'll work. Add a little sugar to them when you make a smoothie.
Nandito ako sa labas, Maring, kain tayo ng strawberries na may tahin. Ayan, sweet and spicy. At saka yung blue. So, mas masarap yung sweet and spicy gamitin itong purple para sa strawberries kasi yung blue ay maasim talaga siya. Parang bagay yun sa ano, mangga. Pero sweet and spicy para sa strawberries. Sasarap talaga ang strawberry, mga Maring. So, ayan siya. Ayan, ayan. Ewan kung nakikita nyo kasi yung sikat ng araw talaga napaka bright. Let's eat, Maring. Ooh. Grabe, ang liwanag. Yan, Maring, ang sarap. Kung ayaw nyo kumain ng strawberries na whole strawberries na ganito, lagyan nyo ng asin or asukal or yung tahin. Sasarap yan, mga Maring. Para kung kumain ng balimbing na may asin, ganun yung lasa niya. Sobrang init sa labas.